FL Studio producers, you need to stop sending FLP project files. Let me show you how to share and send files the correct way. So when you're done producing, it doesn't matter if it's audio files or MIDI files, when you're done producing, just simply come to channel rack, highlight all the tracks you want. If you do not want certain tracks added or sent in your project, you can just simply hold shift and turn them off so it's not part of the mixer. When you're done highlighting, just simply come to your mixer, then press Command Shift and L if you're using Mac, or Control Shift and L if you're using Windows. If I do that, it's going to send all my tracks to the mixer. Then I'm going to come to File, I'm going to come to Export, then I'm going to come to Wave. Okay, then I'm going to select a folder, then I'm going to select a directory, then create a folder because it's going to export multiple files. So I could just name this. I can simply come here, make sure it's in cut remainder, and then make sure it's in either 24-bit or 32-bit float. Most times as I choose 32-bit float, then you want to make sure split mixer track is on. Okay, this is the most important part. If I turn it off, it's just going to be a single wave file of about 59 megabits, and if it's turned on, it's going to be about 2.5 gigabits. So I'm going to click start, and it's going to export and render all the individual tracks into stems. When it's done rendering, you can see the file right here. All you have to do is just simply highlight all, right click, and then come to, if you have a compressor like WinRAR or WinZip, then come to add to archive, then zip it up so that it's compressed into a much smaller folder, which is easier to share. And when it's done compressing, you should have a single folder. As you can see, about 643 megabits as opposed to the 2.5 gigabits. And then I'll simply drag and drop this into a free file sharing site like WeTransfer.com. Then get a link. When it's done uploading, you can simply click copy link and then just send the link to anyone and they can download your file fast and easy. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more.